5-day and 5-year friends. And the 5-minute friends are kind of like those energy drainers. Those are the ones that you meet in the driveway. You say, hey, how's it going? Just, small chat. And then you're off. You go to your next group, and the people that you really want to concentrate on are the people that are your 5-year, the 5-year friends, the people that are positive, they're similar to you. One of the things that I've done early on, because I've had these vampires throughout my career, and I got stuck with it.
Why? Because you're an empath. We'll get into that later. The reason you attract them because you're an empath.
Interesting. But you're right. I seem to attract these types of people. But until I learned how to fire my clients and how to fire my friends, I wasn't able to get out of it. So I'm doing better at it. But you're right. I do get stuck with these types of people in my life. But just recently, I had somebody that just kept kicking me, kicking me. Nothing could be right, even though we were doing a great job. And then you have to look and just say, even with my team, we got to get rid of this person. I don't care what they're bringing us. We've got to let them go.
Yes. No, I agree. So shall I run through some of these? I won't go through all of them, but I just want to give, and I think the best way, this isn't any relationship advice or anything like this. This is just from my experiences, and what you do is you look into your own experiences and then you can reflect off that. So starting with parents, right? So we're very close to home. You can't control who your parents are. Some people have amazing relationships with their parents, and some people have indifferent, and some people don't, and they're estranged and stuff like that. I have a relationship with my mum, but my father passed away last year. I didn't have a relationship with him. I met him when I was about 12 a few times, 13, and then again when I was 19, and then I got a phone call last year to say basically it passed away. But the benefit or the upside of what happened there is that I end up meeting the other side of the family that I hadn't really had relationships with, and we've grown a bond. So that there's a real positive that came out of that. And so people have difficulties with their parents and the way they feel obliged in some cases to do things for them, even, because at the end of the day, you get one mum, you get one dad, etc. So it makes it difficult for people to make decisions or are able to set some level of boundaries with a level of kindness and compassion involved. But it's stuff that needs to be worked on if it plays a role in how it's going to, affect your life and your day-to-day well-being. At the end of the day, that vacuum around you is where you need to make sure that